Hello my friends, and welcome to this beginner-friendly morning stretch. This one will help you wake up your body from head to toe and feel less stiff in the morning. You will need a soft carpet or a squishy yoga mat for this one. We're going to be down on the ground for the entire practice. Also, there are no kneeling positions in this one, so if you have sensitive knees, this is going to be great for you. When you're ready, meet me in a comfortable seated position. If you can, cross-legged. Otherwise, feel free to have your legs out in front of you. We're going to begin by waking up the shoulders. So on your big inhale, squeeze your shoulders up towards your ears. And as you exhale, allow them to release down and back. Continue like this, syncing your movement with the breath, inhaling to squeeze and exhaling to release. A couple more just like that. Go ahead and take one more. Inhale to squeeze. Exhale, allow your shoulders to release fully. Now take your right ear towards your right shoulder, finding a nice stretch for the left side of your neck. And for a little bit more here, you can extend your left fingertips out to the side here, and you should feel that deepen this stretch all along the left side of your neck. One more breath in. As you exhale, bring your head through center, then left ear towards left shoulder. Once again, extending your right fingertips out to the side, feeling a nice stretch for your neck. Sit up nice and tall. Now we're going to take right arm across the body, stretching out the shoulder. Continue to sit up tall here, gently pulling your right arm towards your body. And from here, tricep stretch. So extend your right arm above your head. Then bend your right elbow, and you can just guide your elbow down and back as your right fingertips travel down your back. Feeling a nice stretch here for the front of your right arm. Go ahead and release your right arm. We'll do that on the other side. Take your left arm across your chest, finding a nice shoulder stretch. And then finding the tricep stretch for the left arm. Left arm bends, left fingertips traveling down your back. Slowly release your left arm. Give everything a little shake out. If you have your legs crossed, just take a sec to switch the crossing of your legs. And from here, we're going to find some hip circles. So you can place your hands on your legs somewhere just for a little bit more leverage. You're going to take your chest forward, over to the right, rounding your back, and then coming over to the left. Go nice and slow here. Check in with your breath. Make sure you're not holding your breath. And if you haven't already, go ahead and switch and go the other direction. Oh, that one feels so good. Go ahead and find one more. And then go ahead and take your feet out in front of you, soles of the feet to the ground. Place your hands behind you somewhere. You can have your fingers facing out. You can have your fingers facing back, whatever is most comfortable for you. From here, finding a chest opener stretch. Really open through your collarbones, gaze forward and up, feeling a nice stretch for the front of your body. One more deep breath in. And as you release, go ahead and heel toe your feet out a little bit wider. We're going to find some very slow windshield wipers from side to side. So you're going to take your right knee down towards the ground, rotating the hip. Your left knee is going to go out to the side. And then very slowly, you're going to pick up that right leg and then bring your left knee towards the center. Right knee opens out to the side. Just continuing like this at your own speed, going nice and slow here. Finding one more to each side. And then bring the sole of your right foot to the inside of your left leg, extending your left leg out long. Take a moment to get a comfortable seat. We're going to inhale to reach up. And then as you exhale, fold forward over that left leg. Continuing to breathe. With every breath, trying to find a little bit more space and length. Take one more breath in. Exhale, slowly press your way up to seated. And we're going to find a twist now. So right fingertips come behind you, left fingertips to your right thigh. Inhale to sit up tall, and exhale to twist and look up and over your back shoulder. One more breath in. Slowly unravel yourself. And we'll switch over to the other side. Extend your right leg out in front of you. Left sole of the foot comes to the inside of your right thigh. When you're ready, inhale, reach your fingertips up. And exhale, fold over your right leg. One more breath in. As you exhale, slowly walk your fingertips in towards your body as you sit up. And then we'll find a twist. So inhale to prepare, and exhale, twist. Slowly unravel yourself. Bring both of your feet together to touch, finding a butterfly position. Nice inner thigh stretch. And then use your grip on your feet to find your cat-cow of the day. So we're going to inhale, open through the chest, gaze forward and up. Exhale, round through the back, gaze down towards the ground. Continuing like this, syncing your movement with your breath, inhaling to open, exhaling to round. Go ahead and take one more inhale. And as you exhale, extend both of your legs out long. Maybe give everything a little shake out. And from here, start to point and flex your ankles, finding a little bit of movement through your ankle joints. And then while you're here, also find some movements for your wrists, maybe giving them a little bit of rotation. You could flex, extend. This is a good test for your hand-eye coordination. Just getting all of that stiffness out, giving our joints some much needed movement. Awesome. All right, let's end today with a few cactus arms. So finding some stillness through your ankles and your wrists. Take a big inhale as you reach up. And as you exhale, open your arms out to the side, driving you through your elbows, spreading your collarbones. 2 more just like that. Inhale to reach up. And exhale. 1 more, inhale, making your body as long as you can. And exhale. And we are done. Thank you so much for stretching with me this morning. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you again soon. Bye.